everybody, I'm Lizzie with Advanced Auto Parts, and today I'll be showing you how to diagnose a failing alternator. If you suspect a failing alternator but don't have a warning light on, pop the hood and check the condition of the belt. If it's glazed and slightly burnt looking, that is an indication that it is slipping. The belt is too loose, and the metal on rubber friction heats up the belt, quickly wearing it out. Adjust the tensioner to get the belt just right, or replace the serpentine belt, since it is among the most affordable car parts. Older vehicles typically use a pivot bolt, which allows you to make the adjustment on your own. However, many newer vehicles use an automatic tensioner, which should be inspected by a professional to determine if replacement is necessary. If you have a check engine light on, bring your vehicle to your nearest Advanced Auto Parts store and we'll perform a free diagnostic to get you back up and running. If everything looks good under the hood, grab your multimeter. Make sure the vehicle is parked on level ground with the parking brake on and wear your safety glasses. With the engine off, set the meter to 20 volts DC and connect the leads to the battery. Positive lead to the positive battery terminal and negative lead to the negative terminal. It should read around 12.4 volts. Now, start the engine and use the accelerator pedal to slowly raise the engine RPM to 2000 and hold. Carefully check the voltage again. This time, it should be around 14 volts if the alternator is healthy and charging the battery. If the voltage is good, turn on the headlights, interior lights, radio, heater, and any other electrical load. The meter should still display higher than the engine off battery voltage. If any of the voltages are below spec, is a strong case for additional testing. Also, check all your cables for corrosion or a loose connection. And there you have it. Now you can test that alternator. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.